so you're going to draw a graduation star.
Yeah, a star with a graduation cap. We hope you can follow along. You need your drawing supplies. We're going to use a pencil first and then a marker. You ready to start?
Yes.
We're also using marker paper to draw on, but you can use whatever you have at home or in the classroom. Let's start with our pencil to draw the guidelines of our star, and then we'll use our marker at the end. We're going to try to get our lines just the way we want them before we use the marker. Okay, let's start by just drawing a regular star. So we can draw an upside down V to start with. Oh, I love how big and tall you're drawing yours. And then we're going to draw a line that comes across the middle or kind of towards the top. Makes it look like the letter A. And then we're going to connect this side all the way down to here and this side down to here. I like your star so much. I want to change my star to look more like yours. I'm going to draw this a little bit further down like this. And let's see, I'm going to try to draw, maybe I'm going to draw it like this. There we go. And then any extra lines you can use an eraser to get rid of so that it's not confusing when we switch back to our marker. So I'm going to erase this old line, and then I'm going to connect or reconnect this over to here, and then erase this other line. Now, if you want, you can pause the video to take extra time and get the star just the way you want it. Now, let's make our star more round. Instead of these being straight lines, let's draw them almost like our star is full of air, like we pumped it up, going to explode. So I'm going to draw curves on the outside of the star that we already drew. And see how I'm kind of out here? We're going to come back in to the point and make the star, each of the points of the star, thicker and more round. So we can go all the way around and make our star cuter. It's going to make it look more like a baby star. Now that we have these extra lines, let's use our eraser and erase the first star that we drew. So we just want the curved lines left over. Remember to pause the video for extra time. Okay, now let's switch to our markers. Let's first draw the graduation cap on top of our star. I'm going to draw a curve. I don't want to draw a straight line because we want it to look 3D and like a baby star. Or a cute one that's full of air. Then we're going to draw, so this is the hat. We're going to draw a line coming kind of straight up. Maybe it tips in just a little. Yeah, and then we're going to connect those two lines at the top also. Then let's draw the top, and it's got this flat part, almost like you have a book on top of your head. We're going to draw 3 points. We're going to draw one out here, so a guide point out here, and then we're going to try to measure with our eyes this space and have that same space over here on the right side so that it's symmetrical. And then we're going to draw a line, maybe right where the point, the pencil point. Yes. And then let's connect to the left and also to the right. Then we're going to draw a diagonal line coming down about halfway to the first part we drew. Then we can draw the tassel hanging down. We're going to draw a straight line here. Then let's draw another line that starts at the top and curves down right next to it. And then we're going to draw an upside down U that's really tall and skinny. And then we can connect the bottom. Nice. Now let's switch back to our eraser, and we're going to erase the pencil lines that go through the cap and also through the tassel. Now let's switch back to our marker, and we're going to trace over the pencil guidelines that we can still see. So here on the left side, we're going to go behind the tassel. We'll come out and then down. Then we're going to trace over the rest of the pencil all the way to the other side. What's our graduation star missing?
A funny face.
Yeah, let's do it. Well, I'm going to draw a little W in the middle And you could change your funny face to be different. You could add teeth. You could also add a big smile like this one. And then I'm going to draw a little tongue inside too. This star is super happy to be graduating. Then we're going to draw a circle for the left eye and the same size circle for the right eye. You could also add eyelashes if you want. That's always the important part, right? Mm-hmm. Oh, and I like that you made your eyes more of an oval shape. That's really cute too. Then let's draw a circle for the highlight in the top left and color in the big circle or oval and leave the little circle white. We did it! All right, now before we color it, let's use our eraser one more time and erase all the guidelines you can still see. Then we'll fast forward through the coloring too, and at the very end, you can pause the video if you want to match our same color. We did it! We finished drawing and coloring our stars. I love how they turned out.
Yeah, me too.
I love that we used our pencil first to get the guidelines just the way we want them, and then we used our markers. And our friends can do that with every video that we do. You don't have to start with a marker. You guys can always start with a pencil first and then use the marker after.
You could also use different art supplies to color with.
Oh yeah, and you could even finish your drawing by adding a background. Maybe there's lots of stars. Ooh, even smaller ones.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a graduation star with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Hey parents and teachers, it's Rob from Art for Kids Hub. We've put together our very first book filled with drawing lessons for you and your family. From cute pets to mythical creatures, it's got everything to spark your creativity. And the coolest part, you can pre-order today. I also want to give a huge shout out to our amazing publisher, DK Books. Thank you, DK Books, for making this dream a reality. We can't wait to see the amazing art you'll create with the help of our book. So click the link in the description below and pre-order your copy today. Your support means the world to us. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and practice.